Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be diving into one of the core concepts of KaibanJS, agents. First, what exactly is an agent? In KaibanJS, an agent is an autonomous entity that can execute tasks, make independent decisions, and even interact with other agents. Think of agents as specialized team members. Each has a specific role like resume writer, profile analyst, or information gatherer. Each agent is designed to contribute to the team's objectives by using its unique skills. Now, how do you create an agent? It's simple. Start by initializing an instance of the agent class and defining key attributes like name, role, and goal. Agents in KaibanJS have several important attributes. Let's break down the most relevant ones. First, the name is a friendly identifier to easily recognize the agent. For example, it could be John Smith or, in our case, Scout. Next is the role, which defines the agent's function within the team. It could be an information gatherer or a developer, determining the types of tasks the agent will handle. The goal drives the agent's actions. It specifies what the agent aims to achieve, like finding up-to-date information about a sports query for our agent Scout. The background adds context to the agent's skills, like experience in market analysis or research, as with our Scout. Agents can also use specific tools to complete tasks. This is defined in the tool's attribute, which is optional and by default empty. Finally, KaibanJS allows you to configure the language model the agent uses with the LLM config attribute. This allows you to define the provider, such as OpenAI, and adjust parameters like the specific model to be used. Now, let's see a practical example in the KaibanJS playground. I have two agents set up, Mary, who extracts structured information from the user, and Alex Mercer, who creates a well-structured resume using that data. As you can see, the agents have their tasks assigned and are ready to execute. Let's start the workflow. When the workflow begins, tasks move to a Kanban board like this one. They progress through stages to do, doing, and finally done as the agents complete them. If there's an issue, the task moves to the blocked column. And now let's see the final result. And that's all about agents in KaibanJS and how to use them for intelligent systems managing complex tasks. If you found this video helpful, check out our upcoming videos for more insights into KaibanJS. If you have any comments or questions, drop them below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.